So as you've probably gathered, doing a spot of woodland camping today. I'm here catching up with some of my friends. So Luke and Ben have just got some chili going in the Dutch ovens, and then we're going to sit around the campfire and have a bit of a catch up. If anybody, you know, we've looked at doing basic first aid stuff.
Thank you.
Is that butter knife?
You pay a fortune for it.
It's doing alright now. There we go.
I wouldn't leave it like that.
Good technique. Not working, is it? How hard can it be? It's not that hard, is it, really? I'll tell you what, I'm going to give you all the plastic and you can work it out for yourself.
Well, have you seen...
No, I'm not. I'll tell you what, I'll do.
Yeah, you hold that.
Have you seen the effort that the other ones have done compared to your...
It's because it's using a butter knife. Put a knife on it.
Aren't you glad you're sharing with me, son? There you go, mate. It's loads there.
Look at that.
There you go.
There's a piece of work, that is.
There you go. That work for you?
I'm not sharing the sauce with him as well. Thanks, Kev.
Is that enough?
Yeah,
You got
brilliant,
that?
thanks.
I'll be mum.
Thank you, Ben. So you're much better at this than Kevin.
There's
Mandatory.
Thanks.
tortillas.
Wraps as well.
Well, Banjo's in back at van.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
I'll see if I can remember how to play it if you want.
As good as it gets.
Sounding alright though, isn't it?
Yeah,
Very good.
beats me.
Dirty old town. What we got there, Paul?
I don't know, but it's a bit of bourbon. This might get a little bit messy. Bourbon creams.
I've never. What is bourbon?
Oh, that's what you want. That's the money shot, that for.
Pepper and garlic, steak, seasoning.
Do you want one of this then?
Oh, that is pretty. That is pretty.
She's pretty.
That sure is pretty.
I wish I cleaned my teeth before I done that.
Do you want to borrow my plate?
What's wrong with my Tommy Tippy plate?
Gonna borrow my plate? It'll fill my plate too. It'll
It's a
bring
big
down
jig.
bigger.
It's not very bushcrafty, is it? It's not really camping, this, is it?
It's camping. No, that's proper camping.
That's the.
This
But you've been foraging?
is how
Yeah, fantastic.
Ben got me into bushcraft camping.
Bushcraft. Eats rubbing sticks together, doesn't it? Just using this little BCB stove. Uses these Fire Dragon solid fuel things.
Used to use these all the time when I first started out. Well, hexi blocks anyway. So these also double up as a hand sanitizer, which is really useful. So good morning. Chucked it down last night. Still a fair bit of water on the top. I've got a few puddles on the ground sheet. But I was toasty warm inside. So the wool blanket and the thermal rest did its job for insulating me underneath. So I'm really happy with that. So it just goes to show that you don't really need an underquilt. It's raining again. I'm back under the tarp for a bit. For about £3 or whatever. It's quite handy, that little stove. The fuel's not too expensive either. So the lads have got breakfast on the go. I bought this to eat yesterday, but we had the chilli instead, so it's going on the breakfast grill. Stinks of fish. Nope. It's alright, doesn't it? Done to me. Really nice that. And try some.
Go on, breakfast bread.
What's there if you want it? That's not a bone. Not going to get full on one of them, though, are you?
No, it might take. It's alright though. Well done on the cooking.
So next camp I'll be back up in the hills. It's been really good to catch up with the lads. We've had a really good laugh. Hope you've enjoyed seeing something a little bit different, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.